We have given that line K bisects the segment. It means that segment KM is divided to two segments and they are congruent. So we can write that segment KL is congruent to segment LM. It means that length of KL is equal LM to length of LM. We have to find length of LM and we have given that length of KM is 246 meters. So we can write equation because we have given segment KM and this segment is divided to two segments. So we have KL plus LM. Now, because we have given that KL is equal LM and we need to find LM, so I will substitute KL by LM to have LM only in this equation. So we have KM is equal LM because KL is equal LM. And we have to copy LM. So length of segment KM is equal 2 times LM. We have given KM, so we can substitute. This is 246 meters is equal 2 times LM. Because we have multiplication, so I will divide both sides now by 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce and we have that LM is equal, we have to divide 246 by 2, so this is 1, 2, 3, 123 meters. So this is my solution. We found length of LM.